what's happening in YouTube. So I know y'all heard the saying, there's more than one way to skin a cat, because no disrespect to cats or nothing, but just got a little something at hand. I'm trying to let people know that headlight restoration isn't that complicated and doesn't require that much work. I've been doing this auto body and paint and mechanics, for more than half my life, and I like to show people things that I learned on my own that basically help everybody, So here's what I got going on. I see a lot of people prepping these in many different ways, and you could do the easy way, or you could do the hard way. I always work my harder. So product I got which but I don't know if I could be using their name or what, but basically a glue is gonna be the product you use for the headlights. And traditionally you use sandpaper, and you go in steps. You say 800, 1,000, 1,200, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 3,000, and then you polish them, or then you clear coat them. But this is something that anybody could do, and it doesn't require no sanding, and it will last really long, and it will give you good protection. So basically, let's get down to it. What I do is I just get, this isn't sanded, this is just hazy. Got a little moisture in there, but basically you want to put this evenly spread out over the headlights, and they gotta be a good plastic, OEM. I wouldn't mess with anything like aftermarket, because they use a cheaper plastic, and put a nice good amount of this stuff all over the place. And this stuff works good on taillights too. I like it a lot. It's not what it's for, but hey, stay tuned for more stuff that I can show you. Look, you can already tell. Hazy, and this is clear. Work this down nice and even, kind of like you were painting. Just get full coverage. And again, you don't have to sand, you don't have to polish. This is as easy as it gets, I'm telling you. Nobody on dry land will come up with this. I did. Where there's a Miguel, there's a way. So hit that like button. Let me know what y'all think, and feel free to comment. This is what we got, and you're just gonna let this sit a couple hours, a good amount of time. So this is after what it was. Bling. You see all that bling? Oh, you better quit playing. I'll do this one more time. No sanding. Just make sure it's a clean surface. gotta get at this company, make sure that they take care of me, because I know there's gonna be a lot of people buying this stuff now. And there's expensive kits, you know. This stuff costs $10 a bottle. That's all you need. And it's not something like the clear coat, which I've seen some people that they do a bad job and the clear coat peels off. This glue is a savage, and it's not gonna peel off. So I'm just gonna do half of the light so you can see the difference. Yeah, you wanna wear gloves, you know, but I ain't tripping. I don't leave this on my hand. I wiped it off when I'm done, so whatever. You got it. Okay, so can you see the difference right here? Before and after. That looks pretty good. Looks really good. And they could be really, really yellow. And this stuff right there, no sanding. And it looks like brand new from the factory, straight out the lot. Just making history right here. Everybody else selling these products, $50. They do $150 to do a restoration. This is it right here. Alright, give the rest of the light. There it is. It's blinging. No more haze. Gone. That's so bright you can't even see from the camera. It looks good though. Forget to hit that like button. Thank you.